Hey everyone, welcome to T-Fun Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda. Basically, Anaconda is a free open source distribution for Python and R that contain a large number of tools like VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, spyder, etc. Now see how to install Anaconda. For this, go to your Google and search for Anaconda. Click on the first site, then you get a interface like this. Here just click on download button. I want to install for Windows, so I'm clicking on Window 64-bit. If you want to install for Mac or Linux, you can choose any one of them. Here you can see the downloading gets started. It will take some time because the size is a little bit large, 787 MB. So just wait for it downloading. And once the downloading is complete, just click on this Anaconda install. Select run. After that, installation will start. Once the installation is 100%, then choose OK. Click on next. If you want to select all users, you can also do it. I'm keeping the just me. Here you can either choose this location. Here I am choosing another location. For this purpose, you can also use browse. Go to browse and I'm selecting and making a new folder and selecting OK. Now click on here. You can add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. If no Python or any notebook is installed in your PC, in my PC Python is already installed, so I'm not selecting this option. Here click on install. This installation will take some time, maybe 20 to 30 minutes, so just leave it for install. Now click the next button, then select next and then finish. After successful installation of Anaconda, just go to search bar and search Anaconda navigate. Here you can see this, click on it. After clicking, you will see an interface like this. Here you can see that Anaconda provide you various tools for data science, or you can say machine learning, like Notebook, Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, VS Code, spyder, fine, and also PyCharm is also available here. You can use any of them. If you want to use say Jupyter Notebook, just click on launch, or you can do it, go to search bar and also search for Jupyter Notebook and click on it. The Jupyter Notebook will look like this. If you want to create a new file or a folder, you can simply go to here folder and you can see here a folder is created. See, click on it and rename it. Let's say I want to this folder name as ML journey. Okay, and rename it. Then you can go to this folder and here you can create new Python in which you can write your ML or data science or Python codes. For example, let's write print hello, a simple Python. So in this way you can use Jupyter. You can also use spyder or other tools which you want to use. Thank you for watching this.